Hey, time travelers, got another freaking silly, weird thing. This guy, he made a video about me again. This one's like, what are you doing? What are you doing, Halo? On his channel? And his video is like, look at his thumbnail. It's like, and then you hover your mouse. What kind of gross stuff is happening right now? This is my look of disapproval. But, you know, HaloMcr, dude.
Pepper, scorpion, chili pepper, and sea salt. It's actually pretty simple.
You pronounce words better than HaloMcr.
HaloMcr.
If he watches this video, just comment below that you caught that joke.
And that's just to pick on you a little bit. I could go more in depth and like scan all your videos and find all the times you say words really weird, like humorous instead of humorous, like you said in one video. But no, just get on what you did. Halo, you got Macaulay Culkin starting out my video. What the frick is this thumbnail? It's just a random screen cap of going between frames, or you got something layered on top. I don't know what's going on, but I'm thinking you're obsessed with freaking Macaulay Culkin because look what you did to me in my previous video.
But Halo... No, I bet HaloMcr sees me all the time because just check out his video called EA Gets Massive Hacked. I mean, there's pictures of me in there all over the place. So maybe Halo obsesses over me?
Yeah, quit obsessing over Macaulay Culkin, dude.
That good, she Michael Jackson bad. I'm attracted to her, but her attractive very.
But you make this weird video.
Humans, you fucking piece of shit human beings, you cockroaches.
And you're always using this I'm Blue Dob song when you're roasting me. I don't even get it! What does it mean? And then look at this. It's just a whole bunch of blue, I mean Dob, whatever it is. And you literally use only like a couple minutes of The Wizard and the Rainbow Princess, the video that I've worked the hardest on so far, and you randomly put clips of Home Alone in there. And look at it, this is all the previously part of my video, which is like not even a minute long or whatever. And then Spider-Man? What? What's happening? And you have gross stuff happening that I'm not even gonna show it. You don't understand. I'm a clean channel. And then you make fun of the Rainbow Princess in a way that was the point, that part of Rainbow Princess's character is that she's represents someone who would flirt with me and it'd be inappropriate.
I mean, you could be friends with me. Oh, Princess, I have the most bestest and awesomest parts of you. I see.
Yeah, and it's like, what the frick is that? That's the point. But then you scroll this video and look at different parts of it. And all you're doing, when you show parts of my video, it's just playing parts of my video. You're not even picking on me or saying anything. What's going on? And you didn't even go further into my actual video. It's called The Wizard and the Rainbow Princess, not just show me talking to this rainbow person. I mean, just look at, this is my actual video. She's battling a freaking wizard.
Magic.
Are you telling me you didn't even watch my whole freaking video? Guy. Now look at this guy. At least finally now.
HaloMcr, and I'm glad to be here. I hope everybody has been doing.
At least you're finally showing your face in your videos instead of hiding like you used to in your old videos. But what is this video? Paranormal, first channel investigation, haunted cemetery in an Irish graveyard. An important part of your video to open it up is that you have somebody's mom drive you to a graveyard and just leave you there.
He shot himself at the cemetery, right?
That was my ex-brother-in-law, well, my nephew, it's his grandpa.
And then what happens is you and your buddy are playing with dolls and filming with no microphone and listening to a little box that goes
So, who was talking to us last night? What is your name?
asking weird questions of the dead, hoping that maybe they'll speak to you through the pulses of that weird box like... But instead, all we get is... Yeah, 49 minutes and 30 seconds of that. I'm not making this up. But then you make some good videos sometimes, like, okay. What's this Netflix sexy beast? What is this? The Lizard Man wants love? I mean, the title's perfect, because after I saw this video, I'm like, that's exactly what I'm thinking, all these things that it says in the title. Like, what the heck is this show?
Yeah, when it gets like it's like a whole thing, right? Grace, no, I was gonna give you grace.
What in the hell was that, dude? She just...
Agreed. Halo. And he also makes other good videos that actually I put off watching until I can focus and listen, because he's doing like reviews of songs.
Okay, what up everybody? It's HaloMcr. We're gonna start reviewing some insane songs. Henceforth, the title, Eminem, Insane! Off...
Yes! Some more of this! And if you're gonna roast me for real! Man, not in a 4 minutes, 13 seconds things where all you're doing is somehow illegally downloading my video and then re-uploading it again. And chopping it a few little bits out and pausing it at awkward low spots. That's all you did! That's it. That's whatever. Go somewhere, headphones. Subscribe to my channel right there. Check out Halo's channel over there, people. Go enjoy some of his videos and pick on him when he's, you know, for whatever reason. Hey, go watch The Wizard and Rainbow Princess all the way through. See the wizard stuff over here. And then whatever the algorithm thinks is best for you, click that. I've had enough of this. Bye.